This is the first video from this educational series, Knowing the Self, Knowing the Body-Mind. In order to understand the self and understand what's happening within us, we need to gain knowledge and understanding about the different parts of our brain, body, emotions, and then how they constantly interact with each other. How body and brain, body and mind, they are constant communication and connection within each other. So nothing happens in the body without has been registered in the brain and vice versa. It's really important to know that every single part of our body, every single tissue, every single organ, even this movement, it's all commanded and directed by the brain and the central nervous system. The central nervous system is the brain and the spinal cord. So it's all the neurons that are in the brain and the spinal cords. And the peripheral nervous system is all the branching of the neurons toward all the tissues, all the organs. So the brain gives commands, and then we articulate, we do things, we start speaking, we feel things. So every single part of our body is represented in a part, in a region, in our brain. So it's very, very important to understand that we are not separate, that the body and the brain is not separate, that the emotions and the feelings are not separate from the body or from the brain. So why it's so important to understand the mental, the physical, and the emotional? Because the information is received and emitted in a different way in each part of the body. So for the brain, for the mind, we receive thoughts. We have information through thoughts, and then we allow thinking to happen through the mind, through the brain. When it comes to the physical, we have physical sensation. So it's all the sensation that's happening in the body, on the body. So we have sensations. When it comes to the emotional, we have feelings. We feel things. So first of all, we really need to understand the difference between thought and thinking, physical sensations, and then emotion and feelings.